Hello there, Rita. As usual for this time of the year, Highland Scotland is the place to be. Although it may not be quite as warm as it was yesterday, but still in that sunshine, we're going to find temperatures reaching 18 degrees. We've got the same sort of weather pattern as yesterday. High pressure is centred to the north of the UK. We've got that weather front taking showers away from the southwest, but we've still got this quite chilly and quite gusty wind from the east, and it feels particularly chilly if you've got the cloud. And we've got more of that today in Wales, so temperatures here are not going to be quite as high as they were yesterday. The pollen levels, though, are still going to be high, even very high tomorrow across Wales and the southwest. And of course, at this time of the year, it's tree pollen. The grass pollen season starts next month.
Hello there, good afternoon. We've seen a mixture of cloud but also some brighter spells so far today, as illustrated by our weather watcher pictures here. But as we head through this afternoon, I think there'll be more in the way of sunshine. We do still have that rather chilly, nagging easterly wind blowing, and it will feel quite cold in exposure to that up through the Thames Estuary, Kent and Essex in particular. But
I managed to grab a coat just in time because although we've got the glorious sunshine, it's cool out here in the breeze, and forgive my flyaway hair, it's got a mind of its own in that breeze. No hair problems for Philip the fox, sniffing out the sunshine, looking gorgeous. Now, as we go through to tomorrow, the day sort of works in reverse weather-wise. We've got the best of the sunshine in the morning and middle part of the day, with cloud moving in from the east and some rain later on as well. Still got that cool breeze, and it's going to get more unsettled as we head into Friday. Worth keeping an eye on the forecast. There's some rain around, maybe even a bit of thunder. In fact, there might even be a bit of thunder tomorrow night. There's quite a bit of uncertainty. As we move into the Saturday, at the moment that looks drier. There could be a shower here or there. It also looks milder as well before those temperatures come down as we head into the start of next week. Right, that's it from us all here in gorgeous Snaky Lakey. We'll see you later on. Cheerio.
Thank you very much. Good evening to you. Well, it's another lovely, usable day for most of us. Plenty of sunshine around, though I think many people did notice that keen, strong easterly and at times fresh, cool wind. And that's going to continue into tomorrow as well. Although most places will be dry with lots of sunshine, thanks to high pressure, the easterly wind will be a feature again.
How's it looking?
A bit mixed, actually, Ben. I'll come on to that in just a moment. Hello there. Good evening to you. Well, the weather does look mixed as we head through the next few days. Plenty of sunshine around, high pressure dominating the scene, but that easterly breeze will continue to be strong. That's taking the edge off the temperatures. Tomorrow we will see a lovely sunny start, but then we'll start to see showers rolling in from the west and thicker cloud too.
And for much of the country, the pollen count is looking pretty terrible. Alex is here.
Yeah, there's plenty of hay fever sufferers out there at the moment, and well, at this time of year, it is tree pollen. And actually, tree pollen affects 85% of hay fever sufferers. As we head towards May, it's oat pollen that starts to kick in, and then grass pollen, which can be quite nasty, in June. Well, let's take a look at our pollen forecast for tomorrow, and it's very similar to what we've been dealing with today. So very high levels of pollen across much of Wales, the southwest of England, and also high levels across the rest of the UK. Just a few places where it drops to medium and then low for the Northern Isles. Certainly the sea influence certainly affecting things there. Let's take a look at how things are going to be changing, though, as we head through the next few days. And this is actually good news if you suffer from hay fever. But if you've been a fan of the pleasantly warm sunshine, not so great. We're going to get a northerly develop as we get towards the end of this week into next week, actually. And there is a possibility of tumbling temperatures and maybe a few bits and pieces of snow as we head towards the start of next week in Scotland. So we'll keep you posted on that. With all of this, of course, pollen levels will be dropping. Let's take a look at conditions today. And for many of us, it has been quite bright and sunny, but it's out towards the southwest, across the West Country. There certainly was a touch more cloud. These pictures from Westwood Ho a little earlier today, but certainly decent surf there. Enough of a breeze to whip up the waves. But is this all going to be sticking around as we head through the next few days? Well, I'm sure these kids are hoping so. Let's take a look right now. Well, that's the way it is looking, Mary. Pretty good for Scotland, as I say. They keep the best of the weather as we head through the next few days. But, of course, with the better weather comes higher levels of pollen.
OK, we have been warned. Alex, thank you.